Thanks for joining me. Today's video is about making handmade earring cards that can be customized to fit your small business needs. Let's get started. In Cricut Design Space, begin by starting a new project. Select text. In the text box, type the letter U and capitalize it. Make the size 0.5 by 0.75. Rotate 90 degrees. Change the color to white. Now place it on the X and Y axis at 0. Now select a circle and make the size 0.05. Duplicate. Take one circle and place it on the X at 0.3 and the Y at 0.225. Take the other circle and place it on the X at 0.6 and the Y at 0.225. If the letter shifts, as you can see here, just go back up to the X or the Y and just enter 0 to put it back. Now select all and then group. Now we're going to duplicate this and then flip horizontally, and we're going to place it on the X axis at 0.1375 and the Y at 0. And then we're going to select both of those and then group those together. To make the card, I'll just move this. Select a square. Make the size 3 by 3. Change the color to white and add your text. I'm going to change this to writing and the size 14. And I'm going to make this size 10. I'm going to select all of that, align horizontally or center horizontally, and then group. I'm just going to select a square and just send it to back. Now I'm going to place this, what we made earlier, onto the card. I'm going to select all and I'm going to center it horizontally, and then I'm going to group. Now to add more circles below or holes, select a circle. I'm going to make it 0.05. Duplicate it 3 more times. I'm going to place the square on the X and Y axis at 0. Place one of the circles on the X axis at 1.035 and the Y at 1.65. Place another circle on the X axis at 1.035 and the Y at 2.15. I'm going to select all and then group that. I'm going to flip it horizontally and repeat on the other side. If the circles fall behind the square, just go to Arrange and then Send to Back. I'm going to select all, group, and then flip it back horizontally. To show you a simpler method, select a square, make it 3 by 3, change the color to white, add your text, make this 14, make this 10, select both of those, center horizontally, and then group. Place the square on the X and Y axis at 0, select a circle, make the size 0.05, duplicate it because we need 6 circles. I'm going over to the Layers panel. I'll select one of the circles and I'm going to place it on the X axis at 1 and the Y axis at 1. And then I'll just take another circle and place this one on the X axis at 1 and the Y axis at 1.5. The third circle, place this one on the X axis at 1 and the Y axis at 2. Select all of that and then group, flip it horizontally and repeat on the other side. Circles fell behind the square. I click on the square and then send it to back. The square moved, so I'm going to just click on it, go back over to the X and make that 0. Select all of that, group, and then flip it back horizontally. Align these. And I'm going to group. And then I'm just going to duplicate. going to attach. I am using 8.5 by 11 cardstock. It is 65-pound cardstock. If you're using this for your small business, I would consider going with a thicker cardstock so that it doesn't bend easily. Also, if you're making 2x2 earring cards, you can get 6 of these on one sheet. And if you're making 2.5 by 3.5 cards, you can get 9 cards on one sheet. You can also upload a design. Also, the letter U, just make sure that it is set up for cutting. As you can see here, it's set up for cutting here and it's set up for cutting here. Hit make it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared, give it a positive like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have a topic suggestion on what you would like to see, drop them in the comment section below. Remember, stay positive, appreciate your progress, and I'll see you in the next video.